Hello students, once again good morning to you all and you all are welcome in Alpana's biology class. Today's class is for oxygen cycle. We are going to discuss about the oxygen cycle of class 9 chapter natural resources. To learn or to understand any kind of biogeochemical cycle, if we go through step by step, it is very easy to understand and learn. So that means why I am speaking that step by step, because one after another, however the process is going on, cycle is going on, if you learn like this, it will remain in your mind and that you can write easily or answer the questions easily. So today I am going to make you understand oxygen cycle. Already I have uploaded one video of nitrogen cycle. So let us go through this oxygen cycle. This cycle is very easy. We all know what is this biogeochemical cycle? The movement of chemical substances or elements between the abiotic and biotic substances. And by this process, these chemical substances are maintained in the atmosphere. So this oxygen cycle, this oxygen is found in two forms. The first is in atmosphere, it is found in elemental form like oxygen. We all know that nitrogen is the abundant gas in the atmosphere, around 78%. And this oxygen is the second most abundant gas, 21%. It is present in the atmosphere. This oxygen is found in the atmosphere as the elemental form, and it is also found in Earth's crust in the form of oxides. Oxides of the most of the metals, silicons, nitrates, nitrites, sulfates. So they are found in the combined form. So this combined form is found in Earth's crust. It is also an essential substance for important biological molecules. What are these biological molecules? Like protein, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, fat or lipid. So इन सभी चीज़ों में भी ऑक्सीजन कंबाइंड है और इनका एक इम्पॉर्टेंस है वहाँ. So let us go through the cycle now. The first step of this cycle is consumption of oxygen. What is this? Consumption of oxygen. This consumption of oxygen is done by the process of respiration, decomposition and combustion. This oxygen which is present in the atmosphere is consumed by aerobic living organisms. Why I am speaking aerobic? You all know aerobic respiration means when we respire in the presence of oxygen. This is called aerobic respiration. There are some organisms, they do not need oxygen for their respiration. And why do we need this oxygen? To get energy. To get energy, some aerobic living creatures respire and consume this oxygen. Then what do we mean by decomposition? Why it is needed for decomposition? The decomposers use oxygen while decomposing the substances. Like bacteria and fungi, at the time of decomposition, they use oxygen and then decomposition is done. Then what is this combustion? During the combustion also, oxygen is utilized. What is utilized? Oxygen is utilized. How? It is even in home. For different processes at home also, we use this combustion process, mostly for cooking. Then this combustion is done by the transportation. At the time of using fossil fuels like diesel, petrol, kerosene oil, these all are used as a fuels, and when these fuels are burned, then what do they produce? They produce CO2 and water. What do they produce? CO2 and water by the process of combustion. But this combustion cannot be done without oxygen. बिना ऑक्सीजन के दहन की क्रिया नहीं हो सकती. यानी हम इसे कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी चीज़ को जलाया नहीं जा सकता है बिना ऑक्सीजन के. यू मस्ट रिमेंबर नो, इट इज़ टोल्ड एज अ फर्स्ट एड. बताया गया है कि जब किसी व्यक्ति को आग लगी हो तो हमें तुरंत ब्लैंकेट उसके ऊपर रैप कर देना चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज दिस ब्लैंकेट स्टॉप द मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर. दिस इज ऑक्सीजन, एंड व्हेन इट डजंट रीच टू द fire, then it stops, the fire stops. So for the process of combustion also, oxygen is very important. And always remember, either it is respiration, decomposition or combustion, the end product of all these three is carbon dioxide and water vapor. Carbon dioxide and water vapor. So this was the first step of oxygen cycle. ये oxygen cycle का first step था, consumption of oxygen. Now what is the second step? The second step is release of oxygen. What is this? Release of oxygen. What do we mean by release of oxygen? Right now I told you, respiration, decomposition and combustion's end product is CO2 and water vapor. All these two, this is CO2 and water, is utilized by the plants, green plants, for the process of photosynthesis. For the process of photosynthesis. So this green plant use this CO2 and water vapor released at the time of these three processes for the process of photosynthesis. So the cycle is complete or not? Why? Because the end product of photosynthesis is oxygen. What do they release? They release, their byproduct is large amount of oxygen. So the oxygen which was utilized again released to the atmosphere. So the cycle is completed. You know, due to this cycle, amount of oxygen remains in the state of dynamic equilibrium. In the state of dynamic equilibrium. This equilibrium is due to the removal of oxygen from the atmosphere. Removal at the time of respiration, at the time of decomposition and at the time of combustion. It is removed from the atmosphere. And replenishment at the time of photosynthesis. This cycle is maintained. So this cycle, whenever, don't forget, कभी भी अगर आपके एग्जाम में ये साइकिल आए, ऑक्सीजन साइकिल आए, अगर ये 2 मार्क्स, 3 मार्क्स या 5 मार्क्स के लिए हो, फिर भी आप कभी भी ये साइकिल बनाना ना भूलें. If you remember this cycle, no, you'll get at least half marks. This cycle shows everything. So in this cycle it is clearly given, no, see properly. So if we start oxygen in air, water vapor and oxygen in air and organic compounds, then it is taken by the respiration, by the animals for respiration and the decomposers and combustion. Then what is released? CO2 and water is released. This CO2 and water is utilized by the green plants for the process of photosynthesis, and again the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, a large amount of oxygen. So see, is this amount of oxygen maintained or not? So this is oxygen cycle. I hope you people have understood it well. If not, then see this video again and again, make your notes and try to learn this. These topics are very important. So thank you all of you. Don't forget to write the comments, share this video and to subscribe the channel for more updates. The next video will be the cycle, that is carbon cycle. Thank you all of you.